What's going on, guys? Rashard D here with Double O Level, and we're going to be taking a look at a screen rotating bracket that you can use for your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. You want to check the year of your car because this is going to be for the first generation models, not going to be for like the Model 3 Highland or the Juniper. So this is going to be a bracket that allows your screen to rotate. So let's open this up so we can get a look at it, and then we're going to put it on. So once you get everything out the box, you get your user manual. You have this cover that covers the backside around the screen. This is going to be the bracket itself. It's made out of very high grade steel. It has steel bearings, so there's no like cheap parts within this particular design. Like the structure and everything, it feels really good, very well machined. If you look in there, they provide you with all the tools that you need just in case you don't have any tools yourself, so you're all set there. And these are just going to be some more parts that you'll use to complete the look of your swivel, so that way there's nothing exposed. Your car completely looks OEM. So with this rotation bracket, it's going to give your screen a 30-degree rotation left and right, and it's going to allow it to pivot from 15 degrees up and down. So that way it gives you a better viewing angle. So if you can look at your screen, maybe you're looking at navigation, or maybe you're in park and you want to see a better angle on whatever videos you might be watching, playing games or anything you're on your screen, anything on the navigation or entertainment, you'll have a better view on your screen. This gives you another option, and it's a great mod to your Tesla. So when installing, you can watch a video as well as view the manual. It's really going to be really easy. You're just going to remove the panel up under your screen, and then you're going to disassemble the two screws. You're going to use the T5 screwdriver that they provide to do that. Then you'll be able to pull the screen and then take out the screws on the cover, so that way that you replace that with the new one. And once you have that, you'll unplug your screen, and this way you'll be able to remove the entire thing and then attach your new bracket. And once you have your bracket attached, it'll be ready to basically reverse for the installation process of the screen. Once you have that plugged back in, you'll see that now you have a rotating screen. So guys, what you want to do is just follow the steps that's in the manual or in the video, so that way you get a nice clean install. And once you have that installed correctly, you will have a rotating screen for your Tesla. So once again, this is going to be the rotating screen bracket for your Tesla Model 3, Model Y. Once again, check the year of your car to make sure that it's compatible. Most likely it will be, excluding the very brand new models that Tesla has provided. So hopefully the information that I gave you helps make your decision. If you have any questions, comments, you can leave them in the comment section if it's available. Other than that, I'm Rashard D with Double O Level, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.